Hello everyone, welcome to another video on this channel. Mullen up 60%. What the heck's going on? There is news. Let's talk about it. Now, the last time we thought Mullen was about to squeeze was in the middle of June when we're up 20%. Didn't happen back then, but this time it's completely different. This time there's actually news on the short sellers, and this is the main news. So they are going to combat naked short selling activities. Now, the most important thing here is that based on reports Mullen has received from Share Intel, the company believes it may have been the target of a market manipulation scheme involving illegal naked short selling of its common stock. And they're going to investigate this and expose any potential wrongdoing. This is huge news. And actually, this is basically what we've been talking about in all the previous videos, the insane shorting that was going on, the market manipulation. Okay, we thought Lawrence was kind of market manipulating the stock. I don't know if the investigation is going to be on Lawrence as well, but this is huge news. And actually, what's so significant about it is that there's finally some serious recognition from all the people that were claiming this, that this was happening, that they're really going to be investigating it right now. And as you can see, they have already actively investigated the short selling, and they have enough intel actually to have the law firm actively investigate it and take action. And this is stated by David, the CEO. So this is huge news. And now, why is the stock going up? I think shorts are getting nervous here. I mean, there's just no other reason. They are getting nervous. The manipulators are closing positions, shorts closing positions, and also, because everybody is talking about it right now, what you get is that people think it will squeeze based on that. So when everyone believes it will squeeze because everyone is either buying the shares for the squeeze, closing shorts, market manipulators closing their positions. So it's really, really happening today. Now, of course, we also got to be very realistic here. For example, if you look at the hourly, I mean, we're basically back to levels we were around a week ago as well. I mean, it's not, the big gain, and probably many people are still down huge. But if you bought the last couple of days, you are up very, very nicely. And it's a beginning. Of course, there's so much still going on. We might have a potential reverse split, the NASDAQ compliance stuff, but this is definitely a big first step in the right direction. And I really, really, really hope that it won't be like a 1 day pump and that they will dump this back to 10 cents. Now, what are the important levels to watch the upcoming days if this will continue? I mean, first of all, look at that volume. Absolutely crazy. We are reaching 1 billion shares traded today. Absolutely insane. But the resistance, well, this is something I've been talking about for weeks, for months. The 20-day moving average. It is currently at 25 cents. Now, why is this so important? Well, basically, the last time we were really above it, we closed above that level, was in February 2023. And ever since then, ever we broke below that level, we never closed above. We attempted a few times here, 3 times, but it didn't happen. We didn't get above. And now we are actually very close. We haven't been this close in a long time. Now, the last time we broke above that level was right here in October. We had a really nice squeeze. In the end, the stock tripled. So this, it would mean that we would reach at least 30 cents. And then here as well in December, we had a really nice run up from $4 and that at 12, also times 3 moves. So again, that would mean 30 cents. And that was also after a long period of not getting above that level. That is definitely the trigger. And as you can see, that triggers automatically the 50-day moving average break. So in this case, that is 89 cents. So that would mean if indeed the trigger of the 20-day will also trigger the 50-day, it would mean that the stock will reach 90 cents. It will get very close to $1 again. Now that's very far away, of course, but you never know when this thing really gets going. Are we really gonna get a nice squeeze? Who knows? Times 10. It has happened before. It has happened right in front of our eyes, right here. This was the last big squeeze. It was from around $10 to 100 plus. So this was a times 10 move. Also, the break of the 20-day and then the break of the 50-day. So the stock went to times 10. And that's basically what could happen here as well. Because if we're going to break the 20-day, the chance is very, very high we're going to break the 50-day as well. And that will be almost at $1. So then when you break the 20-day, you're going to get even more people jumping in. There are all technical triggers will be green, and then it will be looking very interesting for an even larger squeeze. But again, then we really need to break that, and it will be so important that today is not just a 1 day pump, but is the start of a large move up. And I really hope that, with this investigation we'll soon get more news. We soon hear more that they actually found stuff. I'm hopeful. I'm glad they're saying it. Is a big concern as well for the shareholders, and it's good that they seem like they finally have something. Please, in the comments, let me please know, what do you think about Mullen and the future of the company? Are we gonna get a real squeeze, or is this just a 1 day pump and then we're gonna get a dump later on? Please let me know in the comments. Also, please let me know if you want to see other stocks being discussed on this channel. And of course, don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe. And then I hope to see you all the next video.